Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Himanshi and today's video is all about watercolor wreath, and I'm using this watercolor paper from Kenson, but it's all about using your art supplies how you want to. And for illustrations I have a pencil and a normal pen. Also I have a glass of clean water, a paper towel and my paint set from Camel. I'll mention all these in the description box also. And of course my tea. As you can see, I have already drawn my wreath sketch. I'm just going to start painting with few of these flowers just to show how the paint will go on right, and it looks beautiful. I love the way illustration looks. I'm not overthinking it, I'm just coloring in. You can see I'm just filling in the areas with the watercolor paints. And of course you can add that nice yellow in there as well as in the center of the flowers. Try to do in 1 or 2 brush strokes, one leaf, and then come back with the slightly darker shade and just play around. See what happens when you just put a spot on the one end of the leaf or maybe a line down the middle. Now you can see I'm just painting those tiny flowers. I'm filling in this flower with both the yellow and orange for nice subtle contrast between those two shades. Now I'm painting one more flower with pink and purple shades. I'm adding some small details like tiny pink flowers, or you can add tiny leaves or berries. I'm going to add brown color and it will help to complete the bottom of the wreath. Now for calligraphy, I will use normal black pen. What I'm doing to finish the piece is I'm adding some strokes in illustration. Now the wreath is all done. I love the design because I think it will really help to learn. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and we'll see you soon with a new tutorial.